Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Vince. Today we'll be unboxing this portable aircon 12,000 BTU from Euroace. Okay, without further ado, let's unbox. Okay, here we have the warranty card, remote control, comes with the battery, and the user guide. Okay, warranty card, remote control, comes with the battery and the user guide. Okay, this is the hot air extension pipe for installation. Okay, this is the bracket to install the hot air pipe at the window. This is the bracket for installation. And here we have the main unit.
Wait,
Can I put some solid? So maybe can use for your room. Okay guys, this is the portable aircon 12,000 BTU for Euroace. Let's switch it on. Okay. Okay. Can you see it? The lock, go inside. See the groove, right? For the groove, please lock, unlock, lock. Okay, let's on the aircon. What are the modes? So you on power on. Okay, pull yourself. Plus, minus, fan speed, high, medium, low, medium. High. Set to auto. Where the moves. Dry. Fan and timer. Timer there's 24 hours. Go to cool. Is that cool, right? Go to cool. Go to the timer. Okay, 1 hour to up to 24 hours. So you can set the time. Automatic off. Set to 20. Let's say 8 hours. 7 to 8 hours. Yeah. Fan speed. Plus increase the temperature high or low. High, low. Fan speed. Timer. Mode we have auto, fan, okay. So dry fan and dry fan and timer. Okay, so the airflow is actually quite strong. Okay, after a few days of review, then I will get back to you. Right, thanks for watching. This is how I install the pipe. This is where the hot air will go in from here and go out. Here. So make sure to seal the sides, prevent the air from coming in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Ciao!
Subscribe to my channel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.